Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're going to start recording right away. First, open Voice Recorder from Start and select your microphone in Sound Settings so Windows uses the right input. Make sure background apps are closed to reduce noise. This matters for clean audio. Click the big record mic button and speak naturally. You'll see a waveform and timer so you know it's capturing. Once you stop, Windows saves the file automatically to Documents. Remember where it goes for quick access. Once you have multiple takes, learn to manage them efficiently. You can pause and resume during a session to avoid long silent stretches and add markers to mark important moments. Markers make editing faster. To shorten a clip, select it and choose Trim, then drag the handles to cut unwanted audio. This preserves the original while exporting an edited copy. Make sure to rename files immediately so you don't lose track. Organized names speed up sharing and backup later. To finish, export or share your recording quickly. Right-click and open File Location to find the M4A file, then upload to OneDrive, attach to email, or copy to a USB drive. Make sure you back up important takes and verify format compatibility with your recipients. If audio is too quiet or missing, check Windows microphone privacy settings, confirm the correct default device in Sound Settings, and update drivers. Fixing permissions or drivers usually resolves recording issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.